The biggest threat to your expensive hiking boots isn't sharp rocks. It's storing them in a damp closet where hydrolysis silently dissolves the soles. Dirt is sandpaper for your boots. Dried mud sucks moisture out of leather, causing cracks on expensive models like the Lowa Renegade. For synthetics like the Salomon X Ultra 5, scrub with water and apply Nikwax fabric and leatherproof, $15. For full leather, use Granger's G-Wax, but avoid oils that over-soften the support. Jackets are where people waste the most money. If your $400 Arc'teryx Beta wets out, the membrane isn't dead, it's just dirty. But never use Tide. Standard detergents strip the water-repellent coating. Wash with Nikwax Tech Wash or Granger's Performance Wash first. Then, while wet, wash it again with TX, Direct, or Performance Repel. Finally, tumble dry on low to heat activate the DWR. Backpacks die from sweat, not weight. Salt degrades the PU coating inside your Osprey talon until it flakes. Dunk it in a bathtub with mild soap annually. Never put a pack in a washing machine. Storage is the silent killer. Leaving a sleeping bag compressed destroys the loft permanently, turning a 20-degree bag into a 40-degree bag. Always hang them or use the large mesh sack. For hardware, use Gear Aid Zipper Lubricant, $6, to prevent stuck sliders. For trekking poles, separate the sections to dry after rain, or the aluminum will oxidize and seize shut. When buying, factor in the warranty value. High upfront costs for Osprey, Darn Tough, and Patagonia pay off because they actually honor repairs and replacements, unlike many budget brands. Finally, build a $20 repair kit. Tenacious tape fixes down jacket rips instantly. Aquaseal SR handles shoe delamination. Don't replace gear that just needs a patch. Here is your essential maintenance shopping list. Buy these specific items to make your gear last a decade. Maintain your gear now to stop buying replacements later.